What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to Phones and Drones. So I wanted to just do a quick video for you guys in regards to the Blink Mini 2. It has been out for a little while now. However, this is the update to the original Blink Mini, and we were a big fan. We actually use these personally, not necessarily for security, even though those are their main use cases, but we use these for monitoring our 3D prints just because sometimes those 3D printers and those cameras that come with them aren't quite great quality. So we set one of these up and we'll actually show you some video quality and how these look at the end of this video. But for now, I want to unbox it and show you how easy it is to set them up. As you can see, this does have night view. It has two-way audio. It has an LED spotlight on the top if you do need to lighten up the environment. It does have some water resistance, although they call it weather resistance here. And of course, you get smart notifications. And since Amazon owns Blink, this obviously does work with Alexa. So this is meant to be used inside or outside. Like I said, it is very compact and really able to set up anywhere you would like. And honestly, these things go on sale so regularly for such a great price. Like usually they're like 20 bucks, 50% off of their standard price. These cannot hurt to pick up as a little extra peace of mind. So now, having said that, I will throw those affiliate links up down below. If you're interested in picking them up, we greatly appreciate you using those links. It definitely helps out the channel. Let's open this up and show you exactly how tiny this baby is. And as you can see here, let's pull that right off and get to the star of the show, that Blink Mini. And just take a look at this. It fits in this hand of your palm right here. It's very, very compact. It looks good. It does come on the stand if you want to use that. And it does pivot in a range of different motions. So if you're looking at that and you need to angle it in a certain way to get the best angle for video capture, it does come with that. You can obviously remove this if you need and mount it with the backing. It does have a USB-C port on the back and comes obviously with the charger and the hardware mount if you so choose to use it. You do get a USB Type A to USB Type C cable in the box, and I'll show you right off the bat, it is substantially long to make sure you can fit it and wire it wherever you need. It does come with the wall adapter as well in the bottom here. Again, USB-A here, USB-C on the camera itself, and those hardware mounts if you need. It should just be a couple of screws here if you want to drill this in and mount it somewhere else. Aside from that, all that is left in the box is a little bit of reading material here. It's a quick start guide. It's very easy. I'm just going to pluck that to the side and let me grab my other phone to show you how easy it is to link this to your account. So all you're going to need to do is download the Blink app if you do not have that already and launch it. And it's very simple. You're going to hit this plus sign on the top right-hand corner and go to Mini Camera. And when you do, you're going to be able to scan this QR code right on the back here, and it'll automatically read it. And we'll just say home, continue, and it is going to show you and want you to verify that it is blinking as needed here, and we'll say discover device. It wants to join the network, and this should only take a couple of seconds to complete. And once it does, I'm just going to go ahead and angle this right over here by my daughter's printer. We'll go ahead and say connect here. And we'll go ahead and say use our same Wi-Fi password. Let's get in on this. And you can see it says sending Wi-Fi info to Mini 2 camera. And you can see obviously from my Eros, it says Amazon technology device has joined, not free for you, which is a good sign. And then any second, it should finish doing its job, and obviously there's a firmware update, so it's going to go ahead and do that, but it is now connected to the network, and it is getting everything all set up. Once that finishes, it says welcome to your Blink Plus plan free trial. It automatically will activate this free 30-day trial. If you don't want it, you will just have to cancel it. There's no credit card on file, so you don't have to worry about that. And you can see what its benefits are. I'm not a huge fan of companies that automatically basically enroll you in these things, but here we are. And now, as you can see here, this is the new camera, and we're going to go ahead and play the feedback to get a live view. And as you can see here now, it is live streaming exactly what we want, and that quality right here looks amazing. So you can obviously angle it, move it around, and you can see it's working just like you would hope. So I actually think that this is a great addition for anybody looking to set up a camera or just something to watch what you might want to follow. Even security aside, this is a great option to have. What's really nice is it is very customizable for what you might want to have for your device settings. So you can obviously change your motion settings, your video and photo settings, which is usually the first thing I go into. And I make sure that the video quality is turned to best. And as you can see, it does say though, higher video quality, 3+ megabits per second upload speed recommended. I'm assuming a lot of people at this point should have that for their actual wireless service. That's why I go ahead and do that. Oops, and I didn't hit save. So let's go ahead and hit save here. And then also, depending on how you're going to use it, if you have it upside down mounted, you can flip the video. You can end the clip early if motion stops. Change night vision to make sure it's available or not. The IR intensity for the brightness of the infrared light. For those of you that have these in Windows, this is an awesome new setting to stop that glare that comes if you're kind of aiming it out of a window. You guys know what I'm talking about here. Photo capture if you want that on, and auto update thumbnail, which is what you saw back here on this dashboard. So when you're actually back in the device though, it's totally up to you to refresh that thumbnail like we said, and you're able to see that when it updates. Now, back in the actual device itself, if you went, you can see it got darker. That was the night vision mode. You can go to your settings again and continue messing with this app as you wish. But again, now that we turned up that quality, I'll show you exactly what that looks like. And I think it does look really good for a $20, if not $30 camera. So let me know what you guys think down below. Just a quick video showing you how easy and simple it is to get set up. Again, I'll throw those affiliate links up down below. Let me know what you think. Do you guys like these Blink cameras? Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Peace.